Memphis has just released their power sports packages for Polaris RZRs and Can-Am Mavericks. These complete packages, which include 4 speakers, a 4-channel amp, a powered subwoofer box, and a head unit, comes in at a lower price than most manufacturers. So stay tuned to see if one of these packages might be a good fit for your UTV. What's up all, it's Josh from Breaker Stereo and Performance. Welcome to the channel that goes over the latest in vehicle audio, suspension, performance, and more. Because we don't drop stock. And if you're a car enthusiast, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now, side-by-side packages are definitely not new to the market. Purchasing a full package makes it easy to get a system that's already matched up for your specific vehicle. Now, most packages come with all the wiring pre-cut, and it makes it easier and less time-consuming to install. Now, systems will range from a simple head unit plus 2 speakers to one that has multiple speakers, amps, and subwoofers. And price range can be up to $5,000 or more. But these packages by Memphis Car Audio comes in at a reasonable price, both currently at $2,399. Pretty good considering everything you get. So in this video, we're gonna go over all the package components along with the specs as well. So if you're considering a system for your 2014 and up RZR or 2014 and up Can-Am Maverick, then stay tuned as we break these down. Okay, so we're gonna check out the components that come with these kits. All right, so both these packages come with the exact same speakers, except of course, they're made for the specific vehicle. Now the pod is IPX rated. There are RGB LED lights that shine on the cone. And these pods are made of mold injected polypropylene. And the wiring connectors are sealed. For the rear speakers, you get a set of the MXA62PS. These are rear pods designed to mount to the roll cage. Now they are water and UV resistant, and they come with a polypropylene cone and a silk dome tweeter, and adjustable aluminum hardware to mount to your roll cage. These also have the RGB LED lighting that shine onto the cone and are IP66 rated. The subwoofer enclosure is IP66 rated and is plug and play, and includes sealed connectors designed specifically for the vehicle to make the installation easier. And the enclosure is a mold injected high density polypropylene. And the amplifier is rated at 200 watts RMS, 400 watts peak, and it does come with a remote bass knob. For your head unit, you're gonna get an SMC2A, which is an app-controlled source unit that does come with a 4-button rotary knob rocker switch control that fits easily in a standard rocker switch cutout. Now on the app, you'll have custom EQ settings, balance and fade, along with AM/FM presets, radio search settings, and manual seeking presets. And you have 5 source options: auxiliary, Bluetooth, AM/FM, and weather band. So if you're out on the trail and don't get reception from your cell phone, you can still be updated with the weather through the weather station. Okay, this does have USB charging on a pigtail and has a built-in amplifier, 50 watts times 4. But on these packages, you won't be using that power. You're gonna be using the power of the 4-channel amp. It also has RGB LED control outputs, along with front, rear, and sub RCA outputs, which are 2.5 volts. It has a conformal coated PC board and is IP66 rated. All right, so let's talk about the wired remote control. Now that is also IP66 rated. You have illuminated remote, color changing to indicate source selection, and again fits in a standard rocker switch cutout. So as far as the 4-channel amp is concerned, it comes with the MXA300.4, IP66 rated, high and low level inputs, sealed connection, and this is a compact footprint. Of course, you're gonna get all your wiring, RCAs, power, ground, fuse holders to complete the installation in your vehicle. Okay, so we actually got one of these in the garage. We're wrapping it up, so let's go ahead and check this thing out. This is a Can-Am Maverick 4-seater.
Oh, for sure. Nah, you smell that? This is special right here.
I'm actually really impressed with the way this sounds. Honestly, with the amount of power that it says on the amplifier, I didn't expect it to be this loud, so I'm actually really impressed with the way it sounds. Not only that, I really like the way it's set up. I do like the kick paddles here on the bottom. I love the head unit. Here's why on the app, you're able to choose a couple things here. You have your equalizer, so I'm actually able to adjust this the way I want it. So it's not just bass and treble. You know, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 band equalizer. That's dope. Also, you do have a radio and weather band So not that you're gonna get a lot of radio reception, but it does have the Weatherman, so that's nice. It does have the LED controller built into the app. So right now I have it on red. If I wanted to change it to blue, I can just do that, or I can cycle it. So it's actually really dope. I love the head unit, I think it's great. I got the bass knob here, the bass is thumping underneath the seat here. I got the back pods, you know, coming at me. So it's a nice balance, right? And some of these Mavericks, they come with the speakers on the top, and that's good, and they're firing right at you. But from the front seats, they're more dominant. Now with this system, I can actually hear these coming in from the rear as well. So I got a nice surround. So I'm actually really impressed with the way this sounds. So excellent, excellent system at a really good price.
Just a criminal, making a living off of the world's misery. What in the world gives me the right to say what I like and walk around flipping the bird, living the urban life like a white kid from the bird.
Okay, so I always like to give it the helmet test. Make sure when I got the helmet on, I can still hear it nice and loud. So excellent, excellent, excellent. Passed the helmet test. So I definitely give this system a thumbs up. Now, buying packages like this makes the buying process easy and simple, along with not complicating the installation. Now, this is going to be a more entry to mid-level package that does come with all the components that you need. Again, 4 speakers, a subwoofer that's powered, a 4-channel amp, and a head unit, along with some LED lighting to go with it. Now, for more information on these packages or to purchase them, click the links in the description below. Also, check out our website for our other UTV packages. Now, we do have financing and lease-to-own options available. Simply add to cart, pick a financing option, get approved, and we'll send your gear out to you ASAP. Again, this is Josh from Breaker Stereo at Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.